In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enhance your Wix website using both manage.wix.com and editor.wix.com tools. Whether you're building a professional presence online or just want a stunning space to show your work, I'm here to guide you step by step through this process. So, let's get started. First off, we'll navigate to the heart of it all, the Wix dashboard. To do this, open your browser and head over to manage.wix.com. From your dashboard, you can control all aspects of your website, and it serves as the main hub for setting up and maintaining your site effectively. If you have multiple sites, ensure you're managing the correct one by checking the site ID or the name displayed at the top. Next, it's time to add some elements to your website using the editor. Switch over to editor.wix.com. The editor is where your creativity can really shine, as it allows you to drag and drop elements onto your page, making customization quite intuitive. Once you're in, look for the option labeled Add Elements. This section is pivotal as it gives you access to a suite of features to integrate into your site, such as text, images, buttons, and more. One particularly powerful element you might want to consider is the events calendar. As we proceed, click on the option that reads A Beautiful Events Calendar for your website. Adding an events calendar is an excellent choice if you want to keep your visitors informed about upcoming events, special offers, or appointments. The calendar is not only functional but also aesthetically pleasing, meshing seamlessly with the design of your site. After you've incorporated all your desired elements and are satisfied with the arrangement and functionality, it's critical to save your progress. In the editor, go ahead and click on the Save button. This step ensures that all the changes and additions you made are not lost. Saving frequently is a good habit to develop, particularly if you plan on making extensive updates or if your internet connection is unstable. In conclusion, customizing your Wix site using managewix.com for setup and editor.wix.com for design offers you a robust toolkit. By following these steps, you're well on your way to creating a compelling and fully functional website. Don't hesitate to explore additional features in the editor to further enhance your site's capabilities. Remember, the more you experiment and customize, the more unique and compelling your online presence will become. Thanks for tuning in, and happy building!